What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back in Los Angeles with our good friend Monkey Wrench Mike. Go check him out on YouTube. What are we doing today?
We're learning a lot about cars.
We are. Google is great. Who would have thought?
Yeah, this Copart's pretty fantastic too. Holy moly!
I have been to a lot of Coparts. This is my first time at the LA Copart, though. I have to tell you, this is impressive.
The cars they have are amazing.
And to them, most of the cars we're looking at, these are their lower end cars. I mean, look, you're standing right next to a Mercedes GL 450.
That I have.
Yeah.
And it doesn't stand out at all.
No, yeah, because you know, well, right next to it's a freaking brand new Porsche that took a little bit of front end damage. What do you think of this? 28,000 miles on the odometer.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Just a little.
I think it looks worse than it is. I'm probably wrong. I think it needs a new hood.
Okay. That's been there.
Oh, hold on. The tub is all. Oh. Okay, so I was wrong. It's definitely worse. It's definitely worse than it looks. I was trying to be optimistic like you. Yeah, he's always very positive about the horrible things going on, and he's like, no, it's fine. This is why I'm so negative. Okay, so the front end needs a bit of work. It's doable though. You know what the best part is? There's no engine up there. Who cares?
Who cares?
Who cares? You could cut a hole in the hood, get a ratchet strap from Walmart, strap it down, and drive it.
Drive the crap out of it.
As long as it didn't hurt the radiators, because I think there's some radiators up here. I see them, and they look damaged. Yeah, okay. Forget you saw that. That's fine. You don't need to worry about it. We don't need radiators either. Those aren't important. Let's take a look at the back. The important thing is the back. There it is. It actually looks really, really nice. Oh, man, I love this car. Oh, it's an automatic? Dude. Come over here and look at this.
The bulges, though.
Well, speaking of
the wheel bulges.
Okay, speaking of bulges, I'm not being dirty.
Right.
Take a look at that shifter. What does that make you think of? I couldn't do it. Tell me it's not locked. Oh.
I can't even open doors.
He can't even open car doors anymore. Look at that thing. Yeah. I feel like, oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Yeah, you've got to be kidding me. That is what Porsche decided would be a good shifter for their automatic transmission.
It looks like a key. The key just sticks in there instead of that. Yeah. Oh, well.
That's a chub is what that is.
Oh.
That's a...
Look at this. I mean, this is huge.
Yeah,
it comes out like that.
I like it.
I do too.
I like it. I think it makes it look really aggressive. Let me put you guys up here. See what you think. I think that, for lack of a better word, bulge in the back. Actually, I think it looks pretty sick. Boy, that sucker really does. The front wheels too. The front sticks out pretty far too. It's a good design. But whoever designed that shifter should be fired immediately. Like, that was it looks awful. Even if it didn't look like a teeny weeny, it doesn't fit the interior at all. How hard would it have been? They've got a park button that you push. They've got a manual button that you push. And then they stuck this thumb-sized little weenie-looking shifter right there. Why don't you just put buttons there? Put reverse and drive. That's all you needed. You got me, man. I don't know. I'm surprised that Porsche would have come out with something like that and gone, hey, this looks great. This is aesthetically pleasing to women. Not really. Nobody. Nobody finds that attractive. None. That's embarrassing. You need some, what are those man pills? This car needs some of them. This car needs some of those man pills to help strengthen it up a little bit. She's a little weak on that shifter. That headlight, though. That headlight is phenomenal.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks good. It's a good looking car.
Yeah.
It is. Unfortunately, well, we can't get into the driver's seat, can we? It's taped.
And there's not even a key.
Oh, there's no key?
No, there is. It's on the floorboard.
Oh, it fell?
Yeah, the key's on the
So
floorboard.
I would have to climb over.
Do it.
Okay. If it's dead, I'm not bothering with it. I don't feel like... Okay, hold on. Good Lord, here's the key. Where does it go? Uh-oh. Isn't this going to be push to start? Where does it go? I can't even figure out where the damn key goes. I think it's dead though. The clicker doesn't. Yeah, it's dead. Huh. Which wouldn't matter anyway though, because I'm looking over here. Okay. Well, if you think I'm climbing over the seats trying to figure this out, that's just not going to happen. She's dead as a doornail, and I don't feel like messing with it. Moving on. Next on my list, this one is fun. It's an Aston Martin Rapide. It's a 2011, and it's vandalized on the interior. And even better is it was within my price range when I bought the Chevelle.
Yeah.
It was. It still is, because it's still for sale. I could have had myself, for the first time, an Aston Martin on the channel. Yep. And I decided no. Beautiful car on the outside. If I remember right, I think Hoovie's Garage had one of these a while back. 79,000 miles, which honestly, that's a lot of miles on these things. So let's take a look.
Tell us why you didn't buy one.
Well, I didn't buy it. Look how these doors come up. Okay, they don't just open.
Oh, that's weird.
It kind of,
A
it's,
or no?
yes.
Okay.
You see how it kind of almost,
Yeah.
I don't know what you'd call that, but that's, it opens very oddly. Somebody cut holes in the seats. Oh man, they cut it. Oh, ow. I expected the seats to be a lot softer than that. There's like black paint, cut marks. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness.
Why did the window go down?
I don't know.
I opened the door and the window went down.
You broke it. Oh, they broke the shifter. They smashed the instrument cluster. And they poured white house paint everywhere.
I'm coming in. Ow. Ow. This
Yeah.
is not an easy car to
No. I really thought it was like a very comfortable.
I can't get my foot in.
I can't get the key into the cylinder there, and the start button is missing too. How would you even where it? Or maybe the start. Ew, I don't know, guys. It's supposed to be a run and drive, but honestly, I don't know. I don't know where the buttons are. I don't think it would have been right there. I think that's like a spinny type button. I'm thinking you just stick the key in there, maybe? Park, reverse, neutral, drive, and the key would go in there. I expect there to be some kind of a start button, though. Maybe not. I mean, they poured just paint everywhere. This is sad.
How come my window works?
Your window works?
My window works. Look, it's going up and down.
So the ignition is on somehow.
Well, it kind of goes up.
How does... Oh, look at the paint down here, too. It just... Oh, man. So the ignition's on, then.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Can you hit the parking brake with your arm? Is your arm long enough to start it?
That's weird, like nothing else works. So it's weird that your window works.
Yeah.
Look how cool.
This is not... There's no room back here.
Yeah, this is a family car.
That one works.
This is like a Panamera.
Yeah. No, it's not like a No!
Oh, look at
This
this.
has tons of room. No, the Pan America has tons of room.
The Panamerica?
In the back?
You mean Panamera?
Panamera. Yeah.
Panamerica. This isn't the airplane. Does Pan Am even exist anymore?
No.
They don't.
Oh.
Can I see you back there? Hold on, let me see.
Oh, I just hit lock.
There's Mike back there through the seat.
See?
Well, Mike, you locked yourself in. Good luck.
I seriously can't get out.
I can't help you. Are you? Did he really? Hold on. Where's?
I hit this button.
Where? Will it not work again?
And it won't undo.
Oh no. Let me see if I can find the unlock button. Otherwise, Mike. Ow. Oh, they busted the mirror too. Where? It should be on this door, right? No, those are just windows. There's no lock buttons over there. I don't know where the rear AC... Hold on. These buttons don't work. They're filled with paint. Wait.
There. Okay. Now my button...
Just get out.
Yeah. But look what happens when you hit the
Oh.
Watch.
Oh.
That's the cap that hit yourself when you try to get out.
You think?
Listen, you get in here.
No, I don't want in there.
I can't.
I'm not. If you can't fit, what? What? Oh my goodness.
Door.
He's not acting either, guys. I want to see the engine.
Yeah.
I need to see the engine. We need to see this motor. So hopefully when you close the door, that window goes back up.
Yeah, it does. Watch.
Oh.
That's crazy.
Okay. Well, let me see if I can pop the... Oh, it's electronic? Or no, that's the fuel door. Ah. Oh. Well, I pulled it. It snapped really hard, like not in a good way.
Does it open from this side?
Yeah. I mean, no, there's hinges back here. It definitely opens from up here. Ugh. Okay, here's what I got to say about this one. Nah. Moving on, guys. This one's I'm not interested in this at all. Last one on my list, guys. It took a little hit in the front, but it doesn't look that bad. It's a 2020 Audi SQ5, or would they call it a Q5S? I think it's like a Q5 S line.
Oh, yeah, like the A5.
Yeah.
Yeah. A8S.
Yeah. She took a little ding up here. Get you down in there. Maybe you could see how bad it is. If it's bad at all, I can't really see much. It looks like that condenser, though, is... Yeah. Condenser, radiator, probably shot. Let's see, can we... What is it going... Oh. Those are broken pieces. V6. Really, it doesn't look that bad. I mean, everything back there is crushed as far as the radiator, and you can see the fan's broken. There's no coolant. The condenser, all of that stuff. Oh, there's another radiator type deal over here. It's crushed as well. You guys probably can't see it, but down there, yeah, she's a little worse than she appears from the outside. That's what I love about plastic. You know, you can get in a nasty wreck and it just pops right back out. Makes it look like the car is perfectly fine. When in reality is like it's totally screwed. This doesn't look that bad though. It's a runner. It's supposed to be a run and drive. We'll take a quick look at the rest of it. Looks nice. Looks really, really nice. Yeah, I like this. What's the interior look like? It doesn't smell good, but it doesn't smell bad either. It's, you know, it's got that used car smell. Oh. What do you think? Should start up? Oh, dead as a doornail. Yeah, I like this, though. I love the steering wheel. Look at that. That steering wheel's got the flat bottom, like for a race car. Makes you feel like you're going to go really fast. We'll put a jump on it real quick. We can't run this one for long. Obviously, the fact that it has no coolant means that we don't want to overheat it. But we can at least start it up and see how she sounds. Positive and negative right there once you...
Oh, I gotta start it up, right?
Yep.
I'm watching out for this.
Yeah, I need to tape that up. Honestly, that's
It's gonna get you.
yeah. One day. Thankfully,
I don't like that part about jumping in cars.
it gets so scared. Ooh, what is this? A CLS 550. You like the CLS? I don't.
I'm afraid I'll have to mechanic told me to stay away.
Yeah, weren't those the cheaper
Yeah.
Mercedes? Yeah. Quattro all-wheel drive. Here we go. All right. Check engine light, airbag light. Must have a seatbelt. Yeah, seatbelt pretensioner has been blown. I mean, it runs good. It does. It runs good. Obviously, the low coolant light is on. TPMS light is on. Check engine light is on. Airbag light is on. And then that's probably, that triangle is probably like, hey, we have no coolant. She goes right into gear, both directions. Go ahead and get in. I ain't gonna run you over.
That's okay. I'm just looking at the inside.
What do you think?
Looks like corduroy seats
Corduroy.
to me.
I remember corduroy. What? I can't believe you said that. I hope the Audi designers watch this video and he said it looks like corduroy. I used to wear corduroy pants back in the day.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I had some brown ones. Yeah, I used to love making the noise as you walk down the hall of school. I wasn't very popular. Corduroy was out of style long before I was wearing them. But yeah, you know, we didn't have a lot of money, so you got what you got, you know.
Right.
And those brown they were actually made by Guess. I remember that. I just remember that.
Wow.
They were Guess. I got them second hand, but they were Guess corduroy pants, and they were shoot brown.
Shoot brown.
Yeah, shoot.
There you go.
I don't know. Sometimes I feel like it's okay to cuss, and other times I feel like I just shouldn't. So this time I'm trying. I'm really trying. There you go, guys. There's the Audi Q5 line. What do you think? I think it's repairable. I think for this is honestly, I don't think it'd be all that difficult to repair. Really, it doesn't look that bad, cosmetically speaking, anyway. All right. What do you think? What are we done, or do we have another one? We got another one, don't we?
We got another one.
We got it. Oh man. All right, let's go find this other one. It better be something really, really cool. If not, it's his fault. He made the list. No, guys, that's it. We're done. That is the last one. Mike lied. Mike lied. He lied to us. Yeah. Okay. I guess we're gonna get out of here, guys. But I got to give a big shout out and thank you to Monkey Winch Mike.
You said it right, Frank.
Monkey Winch Mike. Go check out Monkey Wrench Mike on YouTube. I got a link to him down below this video. Go show him some love. Subscribe to his channel. We have got a lot more to do, and we got less than an hour. There's no way.
It's endless. The cars here are endless.
It's true. There's not enough time to get all these done, so we'll have to come back tomorrow and do it again. But for now, we're going to get out of here. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to catching you all again very, very soon in the next one.